What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and we're actually harvesting now. So yeah, we're in the combine, and yeah, so we're turning around on a corner right now, but we're full almost. But and then there's the auger wagon man right there. Here, we're gonna unload. There it is, unloading. So we're actually in a 790 2019. So yeah. Across the road? Oh yeah, and go make sure to check out my cousin's channel. It's Dirt Bike Dylan. I need your help. I need your help setting one up onto the computer, because I don't know how to do that yet, so I can put it on my GoPro. I don't know what to talk about. And I just got back from school, so yeah. I'm just riding with my dad. Oh yeah, there's a second semi right there. Where's Delbert? Is he coming back? Oh, okay. That's gonna end the video for now, but I'll post another one probably tomorrow, so peace.